Now that you set up your calendar, you're all set to get started using EVA in your meetings. When you first log into the platform, you'll see a calendar view of your upcoming meetings. When you registered, you probably linked your work calendar with the email you signed up with. New meetings will automatically flow over as they're added to your work calendar, making it super easy to add EVA into your work meetings. You can see here what calendar you currently have linked to the account. This should be the primary email you use and the primary calendar where you schedule meetings. Now click on the Settings button here to manage your auto-join settings for EVA. You can set EVA to auto-join all meetings with a dial-in, or focus on only external or internal meetings. You can also disable auto-join here. By default, your settings are for EVA to auto-join all meetings, so you won't have to remember to add EVA to take notes. You can easily remove EVA from a meeting by clicking the green toggle button to turn EVA on or off for a specific meeting. If the toggle button is grayed out, there may be a few reasons why. For EVA to join a meeting, you must be the meeting host. The meeting cannot be an all-day event, and the meeting must be marked as busy in your calendar. EVA will ignore free or tentative meetings. The meeting must also have at least one other person and a dial-in or conference line. If you would like to use EVA in a meeting without a conference link, you can direct dial EVA or use the mobile app for in-person meetings. The mobile app is available in both iTunes and Google Play. Have a great meeting!